Hi everyone, it's Lucy, and today I'm taking you on a tour of Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, one of their deluxe hotels in the Magic Kingdom area. Myself and my husband Andy had a one-night stay here during May of 2025, and we were absolutely blown away. We've been to the Polynesian before to eat at Ohana, but we've never stayed here, and it did not disappoint. It was an absolutely fantastic experience. So being in the Magic Kingdom area, the first thing that we absolutely loved was how easy it is to get to Magic Kingdom from the Polynesian. We loved being able to take the private transfer by boat, which was just for resort guests, and also having the option to do the monorail or to head to the ticket and transportation centre, which would allow us to get the ferry or the monorail direct into the Magic Kingdom. It made such a difference to the start of our Disney day. There are plenty of different areas to stay within the Polynesian. We booked a stay in a Deluxe Studio. We stayed at monorail, and this had a theme park view. Now, with this being a DVC villa, that means you either need to own a DVC contract or rent DVC points to be able to stay here. Andy and I do not own DVC, so we will leave in the comments the information for DVC Rental Store, who we have used and would recommend as a really smooth experience. But here we go, this is our room. There was so much space. There was this huge bathroom with a shower over the bathtub, loads of cute artwork and lots of space. A really big wardrobe, which was fantastic, particularly if you're on a longer stay. Then you had a really modern second washroom area with a shower that had a ledge in there, which I don't know why, it was just something I thought was really fantastic because we don't have that at home. Really great lighting in there to get ready in the morning. Then, being a DVC villa, it has a kitchenette area, so we had a really decent sized fridge, a microwave and some utensils in there. And then heading into the bedroom area, we absolutely loved how bright and spacious the room was. We had a queen size bed, and then in addition, if you do have a larger family, because the room will sleep up to 5, you have this little pull down bed, a perfect size for the kiddos, some really cute artwork in there as well, just something that brought more uniqueness to the room. We thought that was really cute. And then you have the pull down Murphy bed as well for another either queen or double size bed, I'm not too sure, but we tested that out and it was really comfy as well. Plenty of room for everybody. And just look at this view, we could not believe it, a theme park view room. Loved hearing the water lapping up on the beach. It was so relaxing. We could have spent hours out here on this balcony. We loved being able to see the ferry boats coming to and from the ticket and transportation centre. Seeing Cinderella Castle from that balcony was so pinch me. It was unbelievable. Andy even had a little private dessert firework party there. Made sure that we made good use of this room, and when it turned into the evening, we could not believe how incredible it looked. It took our breath away. And then the absolute icing on the cake was watching Happily Ever After from our balcony. Just incredible. They don't pipe the music in from these rooms, so link it up to your favourite YouTube video, play it in the background and soak in all the magic of a stay at the Polynesian.